subtle but obvious signs your boss wants to sleep with you. When we go to work, we expect to do our jobs, not get entangled in romantic or sexual dynamics, especially not with our boss. But sometimes, something just feels off, and you start to wonder, is my boss into me? Here are 13 signs that might suggest your boss wants something more than just a professional relationship. 1. Frequent private meetings with no clear purpose. Occasional one-on-ones are normal, but if your boss keeps scheduling private meetings without any clear reason, it may be a sign of personal interest. These can feel awkward or even like you're being cornered, depending on how you feel about the situation. 2. You're treated differently than others. Maybe you got a promotion despite being new, or your boss gives you perks no one else gets. If it's not based on performance, the motivation might be more personal than professional. 3. Flirty behavior. A bit of humor is fine, but flirtatious jokes or teasing beyond what's typical in a workplace is a clear indicator your boss may be attracted to you. 4. They share personal details. When your boss opens up about their dating life or wild weekends, they're crossing professional boundaries and testing your reaction to more intimate conversation. 5. You spend time together outside work. Grabbing lunch with coworkers is normal, but when your boss starts spending personal time with you outside office hours, it's a strong hint they want to build something more. 6. Gift giving. Small gifts, pens, notebooks, or snacks might not seem like much, but if there's no holiday or special occasion and your boss tells you to keep it quiet, it's a red flag. 7. Invading personal space. Leaning too close, touching your arm, or whispering in your ear are all ways to gauge your comfort level and test physical boundaries. 8. Personal calls or emails. Having your personal contact info is standard, but using it for non-emergencies or off-hour chats is not. It often signals an attempt to move into your personal life. 9. Overly friendly behavior. Saying good morning is fine, but if your boss checks on you more than others for no work-related reason, it might be about more than just work. 10. Intense eye contact. Eye contact during conversation is normal, but if it lingers, feels intense, or becomes frequent, it often suggests a deeper interest. 11. Social media activity. If your boss starts following your Instagram, sending you Facebook friend requests, or reacting to your posts, they're likely trying to learn more about your personal life, especially your relationship status. 12. You're always funny to them. Even your worst jokes get laughed at. Laughter is a common sign of physical attraction, and if your boss laughs at everything you say, they're probably into you. 13. Your opinion matters most. They ask what you think about work and even about personal matters like outfits or weekend plans. When your opinion becomes the most important, it often comes from wanting your approval and attention. Final thoughts. If you're picking up these signs, ask yourself, is this something I want? Some people go for it, and it works out. Others prefer to set firm boundaries, and that's completely okay too. Either way, it's important to recognize the signs and make a decision that works best for you.